I'm pretty regimented about my day. I was in the military 26 years, so that kind of still sticks with me. After I retired out of the military, then I really turned my attention onto ironwork, and I became an instructor here. And I love ironwork. I've been doing this for 29 years, so I can't see doing anything else. So I might as well try to teach other people or young people how to do it. The pride that comes with it, the camaraderie that comes in the field between the people. You don't get that in any other real environment aside from in the trades. Try to instill it in the apprentices when they come in class, because you're kind of putting your life in other people's hands. You're working hand in hand with somebody and trying to get something accomplished. And everybody knows data. I mean, it's all over how much money is in data centers. And I've been in a lot of big jobs. Most jobs, there's so many moving parts. It looks like organized chaos. When you drive up to it, you almost want to think, where does this thing start and where does it end? What's going on here? But once you get into it, it is very well organized. But they are safer. There's almost no injuries on those jobs. That's most of the jobs that are going on now because they're instilling all the safety rules. We still do hard work, and we push our guys pretty hard just because we want them to have a better work ethic and a pride in what they do. But we have a big influx of really young people, like I'd say 19 to 23, 24. I love it, but it's a different environment. One of the biggest things with us is you don't know when the next job's coming up. This job will last a month. What's going to happen after this? And the companies don't know where they're going to put you all the time. So you don't know if you're going to have a job after next month or after next week or after Friday. So knowing you're going to be at a job for 6 months, a year, I mean, that's pretty nice. And at least young guys that get down there, they like it. Even apprentices, when they come into my class, they're sitting pretty comfortable in class. The union is the way to go with the trades, especially when it comes to working on the big jobs. You can't beat it. I mean, you just can't.